Careful, that's sharp.
I put the thing in myself.
Yeah, that's what they all
Put
say.
it in yourself? You put that in yourself?
You put
Oh,
that,
shit. You don't
that had,
stitches?
that had to hurt.
You put that in yourself? Oh my god. Oh, so you're brave.
I put the razor blade in.
No wonder boys are afraid of you.
No, it's when they find out you're my brothers.
And you're putting a razor in yourself.
Lily, what do you think of all this nonsense?
We were,
All right, let's see if you can get.
This is 2 pieces.
Let's see if
and
you can
then
get.
legs.
Yeah, that's it. That's the easy one.
Oh, this is big. All right, so what we're gonna do?
Solid.
Totally not what you ordered,
I
but we're
ordered
happy.
solid wood.
Uh-oh, somebody's calling.
Very fussy about it.
Oh, look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Woo! Oh, look at the drawers in it. Thank God. Oh my God, I thought I had to put the drawer together. That's great. Somebody's trying to call you. All right, so this one's gonna be easy. There's the directions. There's the thing. It's just 4 legs. I got some stuff here. He's getting the legs out right now. He's cleaning up the mess. Finally, her house will look like it isn't a hoarder's nest. There's one.
Can you run some gels?
I don't think we. Oh, those things I might take those with me because I put them in upstairs in the 2.
Going outside.
We got one more and we're good. Bam, done. We'll open these up and take a look at them. This is our challenge. We're gonna build this without looking at the frickin' directions. I think it's pretty simple, right?
I think there should be some feet.
I think that these. Oh, well, this is not as simple as I thought. We have to pull the drawer out to stick these in.
You
So-
come in from the outside? Well, maybe.
No, we got to come in from the inside, so the drawer's got to pump.
Son of a bitch.
It's not on my beach. It's got some kind of weird thing here.
Shit.
It's not letting me pull the drawer out. All right.
Yeah,
So what do I got to do? Let's just say hardware. All right. So let's see if
Dad didn't abandon me.
What the hell?
Abandon us all, then I would have been a successful person and I could have hired somebody to do this.
Yeah. I could have actually bought something that's already put together.
This is the deep pain that happens, and you don't even notice that.
You can get the back ones in. That's for sure. Here. Here's another one. I need 2 more for the
I
back.
gotta take Lily out.
Okay, yeah, do that. By the time you get back, we'll have this done.
And then the other one's in that box right there.
Oh, yeah, but
Oh,
we're
well,
gonna
that's
sneak
nice
out
to
the
know.
back door.
That's nice to know.
See us again.
Hi, Lilliput.
All right, now we need. Do we need a tool? Oh, they gave us a
the
tool.
Allen wrench.
There's an Allen wrench. There's an Allen wrench. Can you get it in there without the?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Excellent. Nicely done. Not only a Google chef, but a master at
person.
puzzles. These are what I call puzzles. These are
I add
things.
this to my website, and I'm every girl's dream.
Oh shit! Are you kidding? Yeah. Can you come over and put some IKEA together for me?
dinner, play me guitar.
Play some guitar.
Teach me how.
So there's 2 for each leg, and then you got to screw them in there, and then you got to get that Allen wrench on them and tighten them down, which is kind of tight in between that drawer. Now the thing is, we got to get this door out of here.
I don't know. There's got to be more hardware or feet.
Well, no, this goes on here, and then there's hardware in the drawer.
Oh.
There's hardware in the drawer. So we've got to. I guess we could flip it this way.
Open the door.
Hang on, I'll hold it.
Stupid. Wait, no.
Yeah, let's lift it up. So I think it's catching it or something.
We're stupid.
Oh, because you know what? The box that it's in is getting stuck on it. See that? Right there. You see that box? That box is getting stuck.
It was not
Oh,
properly.
that is not. This is bad. Bad engineering on whoever made this damn thing. Oh.
There we go.
Yeah, we don't need that piece.
Cut.
All right, God. Oh my God. There they are. There's 1 foot.
2 foot, red foot, blue foot.
Whoever makes this shit, don't put this stuff in the drawer. I know you're trying to save room, but that's not good. Oh shit. Oh, there we go. Now the drawer's much emptier. All right, now we gotta flip it back over, and then put this through that into those feet. And then we can pull the drawer out and put the screws in. Now we can push the drawer out and we can get to those things down there, I think. Because we got to tighten those before we can, you know. Of course, it's not easy, is it? Oh, God. I wonder if the drawer will come all the way out.
Because it hasn't been drilled into
Two sides?
two of the sides.
Oh, then we just don't put it on the sides. It's going to have the weight on it.
Maybe it has, just don't tell. Let me show you.
So, this drawer, no, the drawer doesn't come out. So this is a poorly designed situation here. But we're just going to try to tighten it up as best we can. All right, here we go. We're going to
Put that down like this. We look through there. This goes into this one.
The question is, we got to get it in the hole. Oops. So we got to find the hole. You know, we got to. We might have to figure out which way this goes.
Which one? Wait, hold still. It's this way because you want the finished end up.
Well, that's square, right?
No, pie or square.
Cornbread are round.
A pie or round, cornbread is square.
That's it. Screw it on here. Nice and tight. Turn those knobs. Get them knobby. Good girl. And this is how you put a table together, basically. Pretty simple. All right, now where would you like this table to be put? All right, let's take a look and see how beautiful this table looks. Yeah, that looks fantastic. All right, I think that's gonna work. I don't like
the lamp, and it goes next to the chair. Now, Josh,
oh, there you go. That was a nice table until you did up the
you
lamp.
can't get rid of it because
It's got a big scar on it. What do you think, Don?
Nice.
Somebody, what happened to you? Did a weed whacker get a hold of you?
Clean up all the mess first. Get a broom.